Okay, now I start the discussion about the source of light. Okay, what is the source of light? A source of light is an object. Actually, a source of light is an object, an object from which from which the light from which the light is from which the light is given out. Light is given out. Let us consider this is an object. If this from this object, if we get the light rays or the energy light, if we get the light rays from this object, then this object is called as the source of light. Okay, and there are so many source of light. For earth, the sun is an very important source of light. Actually, the sun is also a energy source for the earth. This is the main energy source for the earth. Okay, and from the sun we also get the light, and there are so many other source of light like the burning candle, stars, and electric lamp. These are all the source of light. And as we said first, that there are some natural source of light and some are the man-made or the synthetic source of light. So depends on it, we divide the source of light in two bunches. Okay, we divide the source of light in two bunches. One is the luminous source, or you can call object luminous source or luminous object, and other is the non-luminous source or non-luminous object. Okay, now we have to define the luminous object and the non-luminous object. What are the luminous object and what are the non-luminous object? Okay, let's we define the luminous object. What are the luminous object? The object which have own source of light are called luminous object. Okay, the object which have own source of light are called luminous object, and there are example of luminous object, so many examples. Some examples are sun, stars, candle, lamp, and etc. So these are sun, stars, candle, lamp, and these are all the luminous object. These luminous objects are also divided in two groups. Luminous objects are also divides in two groups. Okay, one is the natural luminous objects. The natural luminous objects. What are the natural luminous objects? The luminous objects which are naturally created are known as the natural luminous object. Example of natural luminous objects: sun, star. Okay, sun and stars and so many other examples of natural luminous objects also have. Okay, sun and stars are the natural luminous object, and other is the synthetic or man-made luminous objects. Man-made luminous object. Man-made luminous object. What are the man-made luminous object? The luminous objects which are made by man are known as man-made luminous object. Again I say, the luminous objects which are made by man are known as the man-made, or you call synthetic luminous object. And examples of man-made or synthetic luminous objects are lamp, electric lamp, yes, obviously electric lamp, and candle. These are man-made luminous object. These are man-made luminous object. Okay, and what are the definition of non-luminous object? Now we define the non-luminous objects. Non-luminous object. What are the non-luminous objects? Okay, sorry. What are the non-luminous objects? The objects which have no source of light, are known as non-luminous objects. Okay, and there are so many examples of non-luminous objects. Examples are wood, plastic, chair, and etc. These are all the examples of non-luminous objects. Okay, now we have already finished the discussion about the luminous object and non-luminous object. We see a basic difference between the luminous and non-luminous object. What are the basic difference between the luminous and non-luminous object? Okay, I make a table here. There are two columns. First column, in first column I write the luminous object, and in the second column I write non-luminous objects. The luminous objects, it have first difference. I write first difference. It's they have own source of light. They have own source of light. In non-luminous have they have no own source of light. They have no own source of light. The second difference, the luminous object can emit the light. The luminous object can emit the light. Can emit the light. Okay, luminous object can emit the light, but non-luminous object cannot I write in shortcut, so the time is take less. Cannot emit light, cannot emit light. So these are two basic difference between luminous and non-luminous object. They have, the luminous object have own source of light, but the non-luminous objects have no own source of light. The luminous objects can emit the light, but non-luminous object cannot emit the light. Okay, this is the basic difference between the luminous object and non-luminous object. Now our second topic is our second topic. Now we're going to discuss our second topic, and our second topic is medium of light. What is the medium of light? Okay, now we have to define the medium of light. What is the medium of light? Actually, a medium is a substance through which light propagates or light try to do so. A medium is a substance through which light propagates or try to propagates. Okay, light propagates or try to propagates. Now we write the definitions of medium. A medium is a substance through which light propagates or try to do so. Okay, we try to understand this with a figure. This is a substance. Okay, you may consider this is air or water. May consider any of this, air or water. If light rays propagates through this substance, then this substance, that means air or water, will be called as medium of light. Okay, when light rays propagates through the air or water, or try to propagate through air or water, then this air or water is called as the medium of light. Okay, now we're going to a brief discussion of medium. There are three types of medium. There are three types of medium. First is the transparent medium. Second is the translucent medium, and third is the opaque opaque medium. Okay, opaque medium. So there are three types of medium. First is the transparent medium or transparent object, you also say. Second is the translucent medium, and third is the opaque medium. Now we define these all mediums one by one, and we also give some examples respect to the every medium also. Now our first medium is transparent medium. what are the transparent medium, or what is the transparent medium, we have to define. Okay, there is very easy definitions about the transparent medium. The transparent medium, the medium the medium through which light the medium through which light propagate light propagates light propagates very easily. The medium through which light propagate very easily is known as transparent medium. Okay, so what are the transparent medium? The medium through which light propagates very easily is known as transparent medium. If you see that light can travels through air very easily, or light can propagate through air very easily. Also, light can propagate through water very easily. Okay, so these medium are known as the transparent medium. Okay, so what are the examples of transparent medium? The examples of transparent medium are the first medium is the air. Air is a very big transparent medium of light. Then the water is also example of transparent medium, and glass is also an example of transparent medium. So these are three examples of transparent medium. Now we define the translucent medium. What is the translucent medium? The medium through which light propagate partially. Light propagates partially is known as translucent medium. Okay, the medium through which light propagates partially is known as the translucent medium. Actually, this is a medium which does not resist the light rays completely, and which also does not allow the light rays to propagate through them very easily. Okay, if we draw a picture to understand these definitions very easily. Let us consider a substance or a medium. Here, if 4 rays falls on this medium or try to propagate through this medium, if 4 light rays try to propagate through this medium, then this medium only allow 2 rays to propagate through it. Okay, 4 light rays falls on this medium or try to propagate through this medium, but only 2 can propagate. So this medium allow the light rays to pass through them partially. So this medium is known as translucent medium, because this medium allows the light rays to pass through it partially. Okay, not the all light rays passes through it, and also not this medium resists the light rays completely. It allows the light rays, but it partially. So this medium is known as translucent medium, and examples of translucent medium are ground glass, ground glass, ground glass is a example of translucent medium. And also there is a also examples, paper is also a example of translucent medium. Okay, these are the examples of translucent medium. Through this medium, light can propagate partially, not completely, and this medium not resist the light rays also. Then the next topic is opaque medium. Opaque medium. What is the opaque medium? The medium through which the same discussion, okay, same definition. The starting point of three definition is like same. Starting point is the same. Okay, the medium through which light cannot propagate. The medium through which light cannot propagate is known as opaque medium. Okay, and there are so many examples of opaque medium, and you can give the examples of opaque medium very easily. Okay, what are the examples of opaque medium? The examples of opaque medium are wood. These are the examples of opaque medium: wood, plastic, chair, book, and so many others substance which cannot allow the light rays to propagate through them. Okay, it does not allow the light rays to propagate through them. These are all the opaque medium. Okay, so this is the all important topics I have discussed with you. So read these all topics very well, and if you have any problem, please contact me, and you can send me the message through the WhatsApp group. Okay, also, and you can contact with me anytime. Please note down these all definitions and read these all definitions. This is the starting point of this chapter, and this starting point you have to know the basic informations about the light. That means this is the all discussion is related to the previous classes. In the class of 8 and 6 you also read about the light, so these all definitions is related to that. Okay, we have to read these all definitions very well, and next day I will ask some questions about this topic. So please read these all topics very well. Today I will stop here. Okay, so good night, be safe, and stay in your home. And if you have any problem, if there are any mistake, please notify me. Some spelling mistake may be there. If you understand if you have any problem about the understanding, you can also question me. Okay, you can notify me. So thank you, and I stop here.